Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Glam Goa. Today we are going to visit to a very nice place in Panjim which is known as Fontenas. On the way to Fontenas, there is a church on the way known as Immaculate Conception Church. So guys, you can go to that church also, which you must have seen in many Bollywood and other movies, that there is that particular church is there in that movie. That church is Immaculate Conception Church. So you must visit that church. And on the way to Fontenas, you can go to that church and then come over to this area. Take you for a tour of this area and show you like kitna sundar, like how beautiful this area is, and you'll yourself observe that actually this area is very different from other parts of Goa. Guys, you must have seen बहुत सारे लोग गोवा में आते हैं and they have their nice pictures with colorful buildings. So this is that area, Fontenas. Fontenas गोवा का बहुत ही ओल्ड एरिया है. It is also known as Goa's Latin Quarter, and it is famous for its narrow roads, beautiful houses and old Portuguese culture. This is the reason why people they prefer to visit. They always visit this area whenever they come to Panjim. This area is also famous for its bakeries and cafe. You may find like there are many cafes over here which are very old, like maybe 100 years old cafe. You can come and visit over here. There is a bar nearby, Joseph Bar, which is very known place to hang out with your friends if you are in Panji area. So if you are coming to Goa, you visit Panjim area, please do visit Fontenas, because this is the area you must visit and get good clicks of yourself, and you should not miss it. This area is known for its colorful houses with balconies and red tile roofs. यहाँ पे stay भी करना चाहते हैं तो there are many guest houses which you can book through online booking through any trip app, and you can book for your stay in guest house. They range from 3,000 to 4,000, and it is a good area to stay, and everything is available nearby. Fontenas is also known as a heritage zone of Goa. This is actually a Portuguese influenced area, and it still preserves its architecture of Portuguese time. You can come and you can see that how different these buildings are as compared to other Indian architecture. So every year in February month there is a festival of Fontenas, heritage festival, which you can say throughout the world people they come here to perform, and they show their artistic skills, and even local people who wants to show their culture, they come here and represent their art in galleries over here. Best time to visit this area is evening, so you can come here शाम के टाइम पे, इवनिंग टाइम पे, so that you can get good clicks for your Instagram or your Facebook or social media, or for yourself if you want to wear your favorite dress, you want to colorful dress, any colorful dress you want to wear and get good clicks over here. But yeah, I would like to suggest you कि आप if whenever like आप आ रहे हैं, you're coming to Fontenas, please do prefer two-wheeler, because roads are very narrow in Fontana. So if you are coming by four-wheeler, there is a lot of congestion of traffic, and you will not be able to enjoy. So please hire one two-wheeler if you are coming to this area, because it's very narrow roads are very narrow, and आपके लिए like for you it will be convenient, and you can get a good drive throughout this area, because it is like it is small area, it's not like that much big, so you can explore this area on two-wheeler. Okay guys, now it's time for me to leave. I am already tired of making this video. Since evening I am roaming in this place to make good video for you guys. So I'll see you next in my next video. So this is regarding my previous video, MacBook Pro M1. One comment I received was a person named Abhijit Jaswal. He asked me to speak in Hindi for my video, because it is of course not easy for some people who are not that good in English. So let me tell you something. मेरा ये channel is actually made by my friends who belong to South India. So they are comfortable with me speaking in English. But to be frank with you, like मुझे भी हिंदी में वीडियो बनानी है. I have been insisting them so much. I can't speak in English. Like to be frank, so many times. See my English. मुझे like it is headache for myself. वीडियो बनाने से पहले even I have to think a lot. Like I get headache speaking in English. It's a nightmare for me when they ask me to make some video. But it's okay. I'm still. They have shown faith in me, so I think I should cooperate with them. And you also cooperate. मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी. I promise you that I want to speak in Hindi, and I will speak in Hindi. I'll mix both language. So even they are happy, you are also happy. So तब तक चलता है, ठीक है? Okay, bye.